Yulia Gladyrenko came to New York just a few weeks ago through the United for Ukraine U.S. immigration program. Gladyrenko is 7 months pregnant. Right before she left Ukraine, she learned she had gestational diabetes.
I haven't had time to get medical insurance, so I came here to the fair. I needed to see how my baby handled the long trip to the US.
This is the third such medical fair held for Ukrainian refugees in New York by a charity called Help Ukraine Center USA, together with the Transatlantic Medical Relief Foundation. The charity foundation was founded in 2016 by Dr. Sean Yunayev, an obstetrics and gynecology specialist. Yunayev was born in Lviv, and his family immigrated to the United States when he was still a baby.
We realized that there was only so much that we could do as far as raising money and sending equipment, and we realized that more and more people were arriving in the United States with no medical care.
Workers here say every time this mobile clinic is open, between 40 and 50 people come to see a doctor. Yunayev says most of the refugees who come here are older people with chronic conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and asthma, and need medication quick.
Give them some degree of medication so that they could live for a certain period of time until they establish a health insurance, until they establish some sort of permanent stay here in the United States.
Oksana Malinovska came to the U.S. from Ukraine a year ago. Today, she has health insurance, but she still has trouble figuring the American healthcare system out, as well as talking to doctors in English.
I would love to talk with the Ukrainian doctors who speak the language. On top of that, American doctors see our concerns a little differently. They have a different approach here.
Pregnant Yulia Gladyrenko says seeing Yunayev and his colleagues made her feel a lot better.
The doctors looked at my baby, listened to the heartbeat, looked at my medical papers I brought from Ukraine, and told me what my next steps should be.
We're planning to help her gain insurance through one of the Medicaid HMOs. As far as my professional service, I don't plan to charge her anything.
Volunteers with the Help Ukraine Center USA are already planning the next medical fair and say they hope to keep holding them as long as Ukrainian refugees need them. For Irina Salomka in New York, NRI's VOA News.